Hi guys, this is Amanda here and with my friend Katie.
Hi,
And this is my first video.
And we're going to be doing a farm video to show all of her animals because she loves animals.
Yes.
And goats and stuff.
Yes, I do. So, first off I have some of my ducks.
And they're so cute because
yes, we plan to let them out today on the pond, which we have over there. And those are some of my chickens over there. Here are some other ducks and chickens. We have one Americana and the other three are Kokens. So yes, and
Do you
yeah.
want me to introduce the donkeys?
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
guys. So we are going to be doing the donkeys next. She
Yes.
has two, which Daisy over here. Yes, Daisy's the mama right here. That's Daisy. Daisy, you want to say hi to YouTube? Yes, Cameron. That's her nickname that I call her, Cameron. I call her Cameron sometimes.
Daisy and our other donkey, Ellie Mae.
Yeah, Ellie Mae is over there
And,
somewhere.
We'll get to her later.
Yeah.
So, Daisy and Ellie Mae we got in last summer?
Yes.
Last summer, or near winter. So, we haven't had them for really long, but they were really skittish. And,
As you see, you can come up to them and rub them.
yeah, they're a little skittish well, actually they're very friendly. And no, we cannot ride them, but my sister's boyfriend wants to ride them. And I mean, of course I want to ride them, but we can't. So, let's move on to the next.
1 second. So that annoying thing that you hear is that bird over there.
Yeah,
It's a guinea.
It's called a guinea, and yeah, they're really annoying. I don't recommend getting them unless you can keep them far away from the house.
Okay, this is our star goat, okay? She sees the camera and then she's like coming up to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, we'll get to you later, sweetie.
Yes, we will. So I'm gonna show you Ellie Mae now. She is the baby donkey.
And of
She-
course they're eating.
Yes, they are eating corn. This is Ellie Mae.
She's maybe
Nova, we'll get to you in a minute.
maybe she's about maybe 1.5 years old. We're not exactly sure, but she's
Yeah.
a little wet from the rain. It's sprinkling a little bit right now, so yeah, but it's not really raining hard.
Yeah.
If it's raining hard, we're just gonna have to grab an umbrella.
Yeah.
All right, so now
We're
we're going to
or peacocks.
okay, we're gonna do goats now.
Yeah, goats. Okay.
All right, so as we said, star goat.
Nova.
Nova, she used to have horns, but she didn't. She got taken off when she was little, cause she, fun fact, actually used to be a show goat. So, and if you have a show goat, so she's very friendly. She
likes to rub her head on us for some reason.
yeah, I think it's because she doesn't have any horns, but she still headbutts the other goats. So yeah, come on, sweetie. But yeah, she used to be a show goat, and if you have horns for a show goat, you are disqualified. So yeah, and she is a Swiss goat from Switzerland. So yeah. Okay.
There's some other goats. We just gotta find them. I think they're back here.
Yes, I would believe they're back here.
Oh.
Yes, I see one. Okay, so our next one is Chestnut.
She lost her leg.
Yeah, she jumped the fence and lost her leg, but she still gets around now. She still gets around. She's happy and she can still headbutt and everything. So yeah, she's a sweetie. We first got her with another goat, Dixie. Don't know where she is. She's probably under the shed right here. That's where most of them like to go. And
I feel like.
and yeah, so yes, hi, sweetie. That tag on her ear is from the man we got her from.
We cannot get it off of her.
So,
There's some more up under here. They're just like
so that's
not coming
Dixie right there. Sorry that they're under here, but I can't really do anything about that. And they're
Stormy.
right there is Stormy. He is my little baby. He is the one that I've had for the longest. He is not the oldest. This one is the oldest. She is 4. She turned 4 this year. And there are some of my red chickens. Okay, and here are some more chickens. But okay, my newest recent goat is right there. That's Betty. Sorry guys, the light is really bad. But that's Betty. Can't really see her, but oh well, sorry. But yeah. Okay, so we have some more.
Can I introduce them?
Yeah. Okay, Katie is gonna introduce these.
The ducks. So, there's a duck named Tiny. She is right there. She is a skittish little thing.
Well, we don't know if it's a he or she. But
Well.
These came from Tractor Supply. They are really small.
And they're really loud.
Well, they're not that
So
loud.
cute.
But yes, this is Tiny. We call this one Tiny.
Because it's so tiny.
Yeah. And then we have, okay, so there's 2 small ones. Those are the Bantams, I think. And then then we have these little junkies. Oh, no. They've been getting bigger, so they're trying to jump out.
Yeah.
Well, those are some of them. Once they get bigger, we'll put the chickens out here, and that's going to be a tough process because because they just love
What are you doing?
to get because the older chickens love to peck on the other chickens, the new chickens, so that's going to be tough.
Sorry, there's a lot of mud out here.
Yeah, it has been raining a lot here recently. There's one of my other chickens.
There's a lot of chickens.
And here is one of, like, the first animals we got. We have peacocks. So that right there would be Zulily. She is, like, one that you might be familiar with is, she is actually a female. That's not the male. The male is right up here, and we have a white peacock. Her name is Fluff. And then here's one that you should probably be familiar with. This is Azul, and he's the male, and he has his full-grown tail. And there is his tail. He's gonna want to move because yeah, he's very skittish. The other 2 aren't as skittish. But yes, we do have a white peacock. And actually, fun fact, I have figured this out before, that the peacocks can actually, the female peacocks can actually spread out their tails. But if you ever have peacocks, if you have like a male and a female, yeah, so I've been getting eggs, a few eggs. We have had baby peacocks, and this is like where the chickens and goats stay. It is really muddy in there, so yeah. And there's a chicken right there.
Yeah.
But you probably can't see it.
Right there.
And I just leave the gate open for them so they can go out and roam in the morning because I have school and I can't really feed them before school because I have way too much to do. So yeah, I really had to get ready. Yeah.
So there's all the peacocks.
Yeah. So, we have 3 roosters. I can't catch any of them, but I can try and catch a chicken.
There's the pen for the goats.
Oh, there's one possibly sitting there. part of it. Yeah.
You have to walk across this board.
He does not want to be picked up. Okay, so this is a girl chicken. This is one that I called Speckles. My mom likes to call him Hazels. But this is one of my older chickens. If you turn the camera around that way, that is one of my newer chickens that I have.
He's running out.
Yeah, they're very skittish. But this is one of my newer chickens, and very fat and heavy. But yeah, they.
Okay, it's rubbing. I mean, it's running.
Yeah, and now it's gonna make a fuss because I disturbed it. But yeah, sometimes I can get some of my chickens to like crouch for me, or they're just standing there and I can pick them up. And there's one of my lovely roosters right there. That one sometimes likes to attack, but he's okay now. So, yeah. And yeah. So,
Mhm.
That come here like all the time.
Hey.
They just stay on our pond. So yeah. We can't really ever have ducks because they always die from turtles. We really have a turtle problem.
That's the pond out there, guys.
Yeah. We have a boat, but we don't really use it much.
One more thing, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe.
To this video.
Yes, if you if you like it. It just like comment if you have something to say, if you want us to do something.
Comment and please tell other people about my channel.
Yes.
This is my first video.
Yeah. The next video we might do is about
What's in the box challenge?
yeah. But we have to like get some other people to do it. I'm gonna be in it, but like we have to get other people to help us do it, so we're not gonna do it like in this video. We might do it after this video, but we might not. So yeah, I'm gonna give you a quick look at the ducks real quick.
Yeah, we also take them for swims and like these little kiddie pools that we showed you.
Yeah.
That was like in the peacock pen. We also take them for swims because like it was really hot a few days ago. So
Yes, it really was.
And like we wanted to get them out of there so they wouldn't be so hot. So we took ducks and put them in there.
You wanna go show them the guinea?
Yeah.
Okay, so
here are the annoying things.
they're
The guineas.
the guineas. We're gonna show you the guinea that's laying eggs.
Yeah, it's sitting.
It's like right
there.
there. Let me like zoom it in.
If you can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sitting on eggs, and there goes the other scampering off.
It's
So,
kind of hard to see.
Yeah, we used to have 5.
People were waving
And
at.
then 2 of them got lost somehow. And I used to have 3 oddball chickens. One was I called Red Runner, other Fluffy Feet, and then one was Casey. Casey was my oldest one. She was a butterball chicken, which means she was really fat. So yeah. And then
Do you want to go to a secret spot?
yeah.
Okay. So we are going to a place that we don't tell anybody. Like a few of
Our friends know about it.
yeah. So yeah, we are going to like show you the way, but you probably don't know where it is because it's in the woods somewhere. There's spider web in here. But like, as you see, we gotta go through all of that. But I'll always stay behind my friend because like, to make sure. But we're almost there. We gotta like, we can't.
It's really not that long of a walk. It's just
Yeah.
you try not to touch any.
I'm sorry. It zoomed in.
You try not to touch any of these leaves or anything because you don't know if
Yeah.
it's poison ivy or what. So like,
So like there we were over there a minute ago, if you can see, but like now we're going over here. If you see the little opening right there.
Water dropped in my bag.
We have to crouch down a lot.
Yeah, it's really around here. It's been a few months before I've been back here.
Yeah, same.
Watch the step right there. There used to be a fence. There still is a fence that separates us from getting in here. How I actually found this place and how I actually got through is my dog.
Yes.
The dog we used to have.
She passed away.
Her name is Marcy. We had two other dogs.
They don't plant flowers here yet.
Yeah. And also,
No,
as
there's
you
a
can
few.
see over there, we have a creepy
House.
I've never gone in it before. Don't know who lived there. It's just been sitting there before.
Yes, and like one time me and my friend went over there and it was like
There was like a hole.
so creepy, and there was a hole. There was a lawnmowers
like-
back there.
There was like steps where it led to the basement. Or we're not going to go over there because I do not want to go through all that trouble getting through
Yes.
all those branches and stuff.
There's the road right there if you can't see it. Like
And
oh, there's some
that way.
there's some
There's the
chickens.
fence that I'm talking about, and
Yeah.
my front yard. So,
Yeah.
I have a very big house, maybe to some people, and maybe not to some people.
But like so this is our secret place. It's adorably beautiful.
Sometimes my chickens and stuff come over here. I was just gonna see if any were over here, just show you any of them.
Yeah. But like there's normally flowers everywhere in here, but today there's not.
There's a few around.
There's some over there. Like let me show you. I don't know if you can see them because like of the lighting, but yeah. And the road is back there.
Yeah, there's I think this is a buttercup or dandelion or something. I don't know what
But
it is.
they're all across here
Oh my goodness,
sometimes.
my camera is blurry.
Sorry,
if
y'all.
it's blurry, y'all.
Sorry if it's blurry. It's
Yeah.
starting to like rain harder.
Yeah,
So we better head back inside.
yeah, I'll either be doing, What's in the Box challenge soon sometime.
If you want us to do another video of animals or something, if you
Or give me some suggestions on what I should do a video on. Yeah. So,
But here's the tip to them.
yeah.
We're going back over here.
Yeah.
To my friend's house.
And
remember, my name is Casey and
Amanda.
yes.
The channel is Amanda Green.
Yes.
So remember that, and
Comment down below.
subscribe.
Thumbs up if you like it.
And then subscribe, and
Yes.
we'll see y'all next time. Bye.